Ting 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 ting.
Wait.
Background music.
Background music, is it allowed?
I think it's a lot if it use our own voice like ting 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 ting
Have you
ting
seen this
ting.
slide? It's not allowed in our project.
Oh seriously? Okay, sorry. I need to stop it.
Okay, let's do.
Can we start it?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Pui, pui, pui. Once upon a time, there are 4 students having time together and entertain themselves. Hi Jiho, hi Doyeon. How's today?
We still can't adapt to weather here. Oh, so hot.
How about you guys?
We are fine.
So, I actually was wondering, how was your trip to Malaysia? Can you tell us?
Okay, but listen carefully.
Okay.
Sure.
Sure. We will listen carefully.
It starts like this.
Ding 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 ding.
Wow, we are really excited. This is the first time we go to Malaysia.
And we will do our best in this ICAPS project to get great result.
Dear attendants, our airplane will land on Penang Airport because of bad weather at Kuala Lumpur Airport. Please be patient. Thank you.
Oh my god, we want to take down right now.
10 minutes later, dear attendants, our airplane will fly back to Kuala Lumpur Airport due to the stabilized weather there. Thank you. After getting off the plane,
Too hot. Too much damn fish. So sticky.
before getting into bus that facing the Excel resort.
You guys must walk to resort at the bridge which is closed for rain.
Wow, can't believe this situation.
Oh, how can a resort exist in here?
But I think we going to love this. It's good to be in nature sometimes.
Wow, what a challenging experience.
Can I ask you something?
Yes. Okay. What is the question?
What is the hat that Malaysian man wearing?
The white one or the one in their head? Sounds like caps.
The white one and
The black one.
black one.
Okay. Okay, I will tell you what they wearing. Okay, let me explain. The thing that the Malaysian man wearing is called kopiah for the white one and songkok for the black one. It is normally how Muslim men wears when they go to pray. It is not compulsory, but it looks better if they're wearing it. So it has become our culture somehow.
I see.
Guys, you can go lunch now and get some rest, okay?
Okay. Okay, let's go eat, guys. Okay, let's go.